What's up, YouTube? If you've been thinking about getting a laser engraver, seeing them for sale on Facebook Marketplace all over the place, this video is for you. I'm going to show you what you need, what you can do, and how easy it is to run. If you're looking to get into it, one big question you might have is, what do I need? Well, when I got this laser engraver, it pretty much came with everything I need. And it was an air pump and a little water pump to keep everything cool. And it plugs into 110. It's got a little exhaust fan out the back. You can see it back there. And it's a pretty self-contained unit. I just have to plug this USB into my computer and pull everything I want to do up on there and send it to the machine, and it runs everything. You're also going to need a laptop. The wireless mouse is optional, but makes everything a lot nicer and easier. So as long as your laptop has a USB plug in it, you can plug the machine right into it. But one thing you're going to need is some kind of software to run the machine. I used Lightburn. It's cheap. I want to say it was like 150 bucks online. You just download it and it works flawlessly. I have not a single complaint. It makes my life so much easier. So that's basically how I run everything off of Lightburn. I download images off of SVGs, JPEGs, and basically any kind of file offline. I copy, paste, and put it into Lightburn, and away she runs. The projects you can make with these are pretty much endless. Just a bunch of different pieces of wood. I did some acrylic recently. That turned out great. And it's just anything and everything. If you can find it online, you can put it on a piece of wood. Don't get me wrong, it is real easy, but that doesn't mean everything always goes perfect. If you can see, the fill here worked out great, but when it went to redo the line over it, it wasn't lined up the same. So there is some learning curves, and everything ain't amazingly easy, but it is totally possible. So my overall opinion on these laser engravers is they are easy to use. They're fun. You can find material to laser engrave or to cut anywhere and everywhere. Any kind of local store near you will carry some kind of wood that you could laser engrave. I order stuff off Amazon. I customize it. Really, the possibilities are endless. It's easy to use. It's fun. If you do wood, it smells pretty cool. I enjoy it. It's a great time. I highly recommend one. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again. If you made it this far, we really appreciate you. Thanks for watching the video, and we hope to see you again sometime. Have a great day.